Have you ever felt anxious or nervous about going to the dentist? This is something that I hear every single day with my patients. They're very apprehensive to go to the dentist because a mouth is very personalized space, and the dentist has needles and they have drills, and it is not a really liked place by any of my patients. So you're not alone. Many of the people experience dental anxiety, and every second patient is like that, whether it's from the past negative experiences or simply from the fear of the unknown. People have dental anxiety. That's where sedation dentistry comes in, and we have started incorporating sedation dentistry into our office. But what exactly is sedation dentistry? Am I putting you to deep sleep like a hospital style? Let's look into it. Sedation dentistry involves using oral medications to help patients relax before we start the sedation. So we take precautions in starting IV sedation in our office. We start giving you an oral medication first. It relaxes you. We put in a nitrous on top of it, so it's more relaxed, and then we start our IV, and it administers a few more medications that your treatment becomes very, very easy. There are different types of sedation, each designed to meet the needs of specific patients and their health history. So the most common ones that are very, very safe that we do in our office for kids and adults is nitrous, which is also called laughing gas. It is one of the mildest form of sedation, and it goes out from your body within seconds. It does not remain in your body at all. You don't feel groggy afterwards, but you do feel very relaxed while the treatment is being done. It is being administered by a mask, which is placed over your nose. It's very easy, very soft. You start feeling relaxed in a few minutes. It's quick acting. Again, the procedure is done fairly well, and the effects wear off almost within seconds as you breathe them out. This makes nitrous oxide perfect for minor procedures like cleanings, fillings. Some of the root canals patients sometimes fall asleep with us with that too, because it just calms their nerves down. Another form that I utilize during sedation is oral medications, some things that's going to give you like a good night's sleep. So with oral sedation, you take a pill before a night before your appointment, and then you take another pill 30 minutes before your appointment, and you have to be driven by somebody to the office, and then that person has to take you back. You cannot drive. You're still awake while the treatment is being done, but you're deeply relaxed. You are able to answer any questions the dentists have, but the tolerability of procedures is very comfortable, and it doesn't remain in your body too long, and the recovery is pretty fast. This is an ideal treatment for patients who need a little bit more work than nitrous, so we can sometimes combine nitrous and oral sedation together. And let's say if you were going to a root canal or an extraction, maybe like taking a tooth out, we can do that for you. Third molar extractions, 100%. This works really, really well. The muscles are relaxed too. Let's come up to the IV one, which is the third type that we do in Secure Dental. So let's say if you need a higher level of relaxation, or you're going a longer procedure, which is more than 2 to 3 hours long. We're doing full mouth reconstructions. We're doing like cosmetic treatment, veneers. We're doing third molar extractions. We offer IV sedations to those patients with oral sedation, so we are never overdosing you. This is a little bit more deeper level of sedation, and the best part is once the treatment is done, the next day you do not remember the pain or whatever treatment was done. You just remember till the IV was started. Starting the IV is very easy. We have very, very thin needles that we use it with, and the sedation effect starts within seconds as soon as we administer the medication. So let's talk about some of the benefits of sedation dentistry. It allows you to receive the care you need, which you might have been putting off because of that fear of sitting in the denture. So you can receive the care that you need without the fear and discomfort. It also helps those who may need multiple procedures in one visit and they don't have the time to keep coming back again and again, and they don't want to be stuck with the needle again and again. So that's really good. It's important to note that sedation dentistry is safe when it is administered by a trained professional. Dentists who offer sedation are thoroughly trained. I was trained 60 hours, multiple patients that I had to do. I had to go through a full-on course and a faculty interview before I was given my training certificate. And then every 2 years, I have to keep it up doing that course again and again. So during your sedation, we are continuously monitoring your heart rate, oxygen levels, overall condition to make sure you're comfortable and safe. Thus, whoever is administering IV sedation also has to do ACLS certification. So this is pretty extensive, and we want to make sure that when you're under our care, you're fully taken care of and I know what I'm doing. After the procedure, you may feel a little groggy. Somebody takes you to the car, you go home, we give you medications, pain medications, you go to sleep and have a really good night's sleep. The morning you wake up, you're pretty fresh because all we had to give you was a little deeper sleeping medication style. Sedation dentistry also helps patients of all backgrounds receiving care. We can control your blood pressure during that time. We can control your sugar level at that time. So patients who might not be fit for regular dentistry in the chair, we can control things with IV sedation to help them a little bit more and maintain your overall health without stressing your body out. If you've been avoiding dentists because of the fear of dentistry, sedation dentistry might be a perfect solution for you. If you have pain and you have been bearing it because of just the thought that you have to sit in the denture, give us a call as soon as you can. So we're here to make your dental experience as comfortable as possible.